Thank you for joining us today. We have had a very exciting year at MachineMaze. Our business today is close to about 70-75% of exports going into North America and Europe. Um, Fantastic line of products that we are building. Great production lines established across the country. Fantastic level of quality and delivery metrics that we are tracking with our large enterprise level customers. Massive ticket sizes with each of these customers. We are well on our trajectory to exponential growth coming up in 2027 and years to follow. A lot of this is possible with the fantastic team that we have at MachineMaze. We want to use this opportunity for you to meet with each one of them. A quick snippet on their story here at MachineMaze and how they're contributing towards this journey with us. Thank you.